Assalamu alaikum, my dear beautiful friend. Welcome back to Irin Academy. I am Irin Sultana Samia. Let's begin. And I hope all of you are doing great. And I'm very happy to see you here again. And thank you, my friend, for choosing yourself by clicking this video. My dear beautiful dream builders, what if I tell you the reason you feel overwhelmed is not your life, it's your mind? What if I tell you that you don't need more time? You don't need more energy. You just need a different system. Today, I will share with you a method that can turn your chaos into clarity. So, beautiful friend, if you want to live a calm, powerful, and focused life, then this channel, Irin Academy, is for you. So, make sure to subscribe it now. Think your mind is like a glass of water. Every task, every worry, every unfinished thing is like adding water. At first, it comes. It starts overflowing. That overflow is stress. David Allen gives us a simple but powerful system. It has 5 steps. Number 1, clarify. Write everything down, not just big tasks. Rather, write every small thing like buy milk, call someone, because when you write it down, your brain becomes empty and then clarity begins. Number 2, clarify. Then ask yourself, what is this? Is it actionable? If yes, then what is the next step? Don't write it this way, that start project. Rather, you can write, open laptop and write one paragraph. Number 3, organize. Put your tasks into categories. To do, today, waiting, someday, projects. Now your life becomes structured. Number 4, reflect. Review your list regularly because without reflection, even the best system fails. Number 5, engage. It is last but not the least. Now just do, not with stress but with clarity. Now let me tell you something about Bill Gates. Even with billions of responsibilities, he doesn't rely on money. He relies on systems, notes, and structured thinking. Because success is not about doing more things, it is about doing the right things clearly. In the book, Getting Things Done, David Allen teaches us stress doesn't come from having too much to do. It comes from not deciding what to do next. That one decision changes everything. My dear beautiful dream builders, as a mother, as someone who managing home, dreams and responsibilities, I am telling you that you don't need more pressure. You just need clarity. Even if you write just 5 tasks every day, you will feel lighter. And when you take only one step, then you will feel stronger. There is a beautiful Japanese proverb that says, Chirimu Tsumaraba Yamato Naru. It means even dust, when it piles up, becomes a mountain. So, beautiful friend, when you do every day small actions, it creates big results. And I personally getting the wonderful result from it. Now let me show you some gentle ways how can you do it in your everyday life. Take a notebook and write down everything what's in your mind and choose 3 to 5 tasks from among them and just complete that tasks calmly. That's it. Not perfection, just progress. My dear purpose builders, you are not overwhelmed because you are weak. You are overwhelmed because you are carrying too much in your mind. Let it go, write it down and take one small steps. And remember, my friend, your life doesn't change when you do everything. It changes when you do the right things with clarity. So if this message touched your heart, please subscribe to Irin Academy, because here we don't just listen. We grow, we heal, and we become our best selves. And like and share this video with your friends and family and write your thoughts in the comments. And this is your friend Irin. I'm telling you that clear your mind and you will clear your life. So beautiful soul, stay strong and keep moving forward. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.